Ever wondered what happens when you press this button? That little car with squiggly lines icon is your traction control system, and it might just save your car or your day. Traction control, or TCS, is a smart safety system that prevents your wheels from spinning when you lose grip, especially on wet, icy, or loose surfaces. Here's how it works. Sensors monitor each wheel's speed. If one wheel starts spinning faster than the others, the system kicks in, reducing engine power or braking that wheel independently to regain traction. With TCS on, you stay planted and in control, especially when accelerating out of corners or launching from a stop in slippery conditions. But what about when you turn it off? That's usually for experienced drivers. Maybe you're stuck in deep snow, mud, or doing track work where a little wheel spin helps. Disabling traction control gives you full control of throttle and wheel slip, useful for freeing a stuck car or for aggressive driving where controlled slip is the goal. Quick recap. Traction control helps you stay safe by reducing unwanted wheel spin. Keep it on for daily driving and slippery roads. But when conditions call for more control, and you know what you're doing, that little button gives you the freedom to take over. Like, share, and subscribe for more car tech videos.